This is the pool area. We come in all the way, way back in there. You can't even see it. And then over here's where we lay out all the time. There's my chair right there. And there's the palapa where we eat lunch. Very delicious. Muy delicioso. And up there's the ocean. I just had my picture taken with a toucan. So they kept calling him Sam. I said, well, that's neat. And then I went back and said to Jim, Sam, I thought it would probably be a Mexican name. He said, hello, Toucan Sam? Oh, for God's sake. There's your beach right there. And then over here are the world's stupidest hammocks. Again. And over there's the palapa where we have lunch. Tell you what, they should not make bikinis in large sizes. That's all I'm saying.